My quiet Saturday didn't stay quiet for long, did it? My daughter rang me early on today, asking if she needed primer to paint her walls. That is not a good conversation to have with your daughter. No good can come of that. Anyway, she doesn't. She's got Dulux wall and ceiling, wherever it is, emulsion. And I got a phone call a bit later on. Are you doing anything, Dad? Which normally means I need something, can you go and get it? And she needed another 2.5 litres of Dulux Cornflower White. They can't go because they're all absolutely covered in paint. Yeah, no worries. There's a B&Q just round the corner from me. So I mooched in, I bought, I just dropped it off, and they are absolutely caked in paint. And they're having a tea break, as all good British workmen do, despite the fact that there's only one lad and 2 girls. Not really workmen, are they? Work persons. So I'm awaiting a picture later on, or possibly even a video of how the room looks. I am expecting miracles, and it's horrible. I woke up this morning fairly early. Being an old man, you do, don't you? Well, your bladder wakes you up, so I had to take care of that. And then just lay in bed, listen to tunes, but I was making all kinds of plans in my head. Then when I got up, the weather was horrible. So all these plans just went for a burning. Go ahead, go ahead. I haven't even been for my walk yet. Just tried to do a bit of online shopping. My card got declined, despite the fact that there's loads of money in there. And then I tried to use my debit card to buy the paint. That got declined. So I don't know if there's something wrong with Halifax today. Iffy, very iffy. But I've got to go to Tesco and buy stuff to eat, so it's got to be working, otherwise these going to be murder. Oh, murder, lad. And I still need me walk, despite the fact that the weather's horrible. It's not overly cold tonight, but it's very, very wet. That wet rain, you know, the kind of stuff. You've only got to look through the window when you're piss wet through, that kind of stuff. And we're in blue hour, so when I get back, which will be in a couple of minutes time, I might have to just bite the bullet and get out straight away. Get it done before it goes dark. Yeah, Saturdays just don't work out the way they're supposed to, rarely do they? I'll keep my shoes on rather than my slippers, because at some point my daughter will ring again, won't she? I forgot something. I bought everything, Dad, apart from paintbrushes, dust sheets, masking tape. While you're out, can you get us a whale's head for the cat? You know what it's like. Anyway, the heating's come on in the car, which is lovely. So it's not cold today, but this feels nice. This feels like I really should go for a drive. But I'm not going to. I'm not going to. A walk is needed. And then try and sort out me really sore calf muscle. More cramp during the night. I don't know if it's a circulation issue. It might well be. So maybe I lie down on the bed with my feet raised. A walk followed by that. Exercise is supposed to help, isn't it? Get the blood flowing. Not that I can really do much exercise, but even going for a walk, it's a start, isn't it? And do I take the action cam because it's waterproof while I go out for my walk? I don't think anything's going to happen. I reckon it's going to be just really, really dull. But we could take it. See if we can catch any bird song, if nothing else. Why do these weekends just fly by so quickly? It's not fair, is it? One of my ideas as well was to go down towards the beach with a camera and see if we can catch any of the sunset. But there is no chance of any sunset. There's just so much cloud. And it has rained for hours. Saying that, the garden looks absolutely stunning. The gardens were here on Tuesday. So it's nicely mowed, it's got the lines in it. Looking very much like a 1970s football pitch. And the rain's really helping. Anyway, come on, let's get in.